Okay, welcome minions. Here we go. It is time for another video. Yeah, here we go. All right, so today we are on page 68. Page 68. And here we go. What we're going to do is I've got, are you ready for this? Add and subtract fractions. I know, right? Because fractions are fun. And here we go. We need to make sure that we are totally set up and ready. So we will draw our lines. And for this, I'm going to just grab a straight edge here. Got a folder right here on my desk. And I'm going to go zoop and leave a little room at the bottom. All right. So here we go. Add and subtract fractions. You've done this, okay? You've been doing fractions since like 3rd grade. You've been adding and subtracting them since 4th grade. All right? So this is basically a quick review. And here's what I want you to remember, okay? This is what you need to remember. What is, okay, that's not dark enough. Let's do a different color. What is the most important part of adding and subtracting? Yeah, I can't quite fit it all in there. Adding and subtracting fractions. Okay? Anybody remember? Come on, you know you do. You just don't think you do. You know the answer, but you're like, maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right. I don't know. Don't ask me. All right, here is what you need to know. I'm going to draw it like this. It is a key. I know, it's a weird looking key. It's one of those old skeleton keys. All right, here's my key. I'll even label it key. All right, the key is you must have the same number for the denominator. Denominator. I'll be back. Okay, yeah, I put denominator. Let's try this. Denominator. There you go. And what do we call that? That's AKA a common denominator. Yes. See, so those of you that thought it in your head, you were right. And next time say it out loud because you were right. All right. So that is what we need to remember. Now, how do you find a common denominator? I'm so glad you asked that. How do you find the common denominator? Good question. I'm going to tell you because, you know, I'm just cool like that. I lost my blue pen. That's a bummer. Where's my blue one? It's probably in the bag. Let's go with pink. Let's see if you can see pink. So, how do you find the common denominator? To find the common denominator, you find, you're going to hate this, the least common multiple. Oh, that's probably why We did least common multiple during week 1, huh? Yeah. You find the least common multiple of the two denominators. Too easy, guys. All right, let's look at examples. All right, here we go. Examples. So, if I've got 2/3, and I'm going to add to it 1/5, 2/3 plus 1/5, slide this up before it gets too far down. So here we go, 2/3 plus 1/5. We need to find the LCM. So that means we skip count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 21, 24, and so on. And then 5, 10, 15. Ooh, look, 15. Right there. That's our least common multiple. So we take 2/3 and we're going to multiply it by 5/5. And then we add to that 1/5 multiplied by 3/3. And that gives us 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So now we can do this. 10 plus 3 is 13. We keep the denominator. We do not add the denominators. Do not. All right, keep the denominator. So it's 13/15. So we put a box around that, and there's our answer. Bob's your uncle. Okay, let's try one more using a mixed number. I know, shivers through your heart, right? Your soul just went cold. Well, it's not that bad, okay? Oh, I found my blue one. So let's do, there's my sneeze. Let's do 1 1/2 minus 2/3. All right. So that means we need to first convert to improper fraction. So that would be 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's 3/2 minus 2/3. Now we got to find the LCM. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. And then we've got 3, 6. Oh, look, 6. That didn't take long. So 6. So now we're going to do 3/2 times 3/3 minus 2/3 times 2/2. Okay, so that means 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. And we're going to subtract 4, 6. So our answer is 5, 6. Ta-da! Super easy. Just to review, we're done. I'm done. How about you? All right, so see you in class. Bye-bye.